Well, there we are. We've got 3 red arrows now. Third of the way to the team, but I'm not going to do the whole lot. Hello there. I've found another hawk, another red arrows hawk, and this time in the modern livery. So the first one from a few years back would fly away, which is a bit childish, but anyway. The one I did recently, that can go as well, peel off to one side. And now this is what we've recently finished. I've recently finished. It's the same kit, but this time in the modern livery of the Red Arrows Hawks. I noticed a few things this time around, which I may not have mentioned last time. Looking at the photographs of a red arrow coming into land like this, the undercarriage doors are wrong on the Aifix model from this generation, as are the design of the main undercarriage doors. That the door is wider and various different things, but I've tried to paint that's going to focus. There we are. I always say that, don't I? The ejector seats as best as possible. I checked on the Martin Baker's images. Well, I did a Google search for hawk ejector seat, so I tried to get one painted, but you can't really see, but it's good to know it's there, isn't it? I did a little bit of extra paint in there. Here's a pen. Some of the decals didn't quite reach, so I did a little bit of a touch-up of paint in there. And likewise on the tail, because often the two sides, two decals either side, don't always match up, so I put a bit of paint there. But I've noticed when I'm doing all models, there comes a time when I think, oh no, you've spoilt it now, because you've gone too far and you've got to make corrective work. There's a bit of fluff. I pre-painted the actuators, as I've said on the other model, so that I can put them on without disturbing the decal. Put the decal on first, then the actuator housings. Did a little bit of decal soft. I put all the little dots and commas. If that's going to focus. Anyway, if it did focus, you'd see little dots and commas. I've even got the latest decal there where it says Great Britain. So there, that's about it. One more hawk done. The next model I do won't be a hawk. It'll be something else. Because if it's not one thing, it's something else, isn't it? Obviously. But yeah, got a nice little set of 3 now. Did that in about a week. That's probably the fastest kit I've done for well, this year. But I know the kit quite well, so quite easy to knock it together. And yeah, well, it's only one paint to colour to worry about, isn't it? Don't have to do camouflage patterns on a red aircraft. So there we are, the current livery of the RAF Aerobatic Team, the Red Arrows, to go with my other ones. Leave it there for a thumbnail perhaps. Alright, thank you for watching, and tune in again. Bye.